Welcome to FarmBox Foods. Our mission is to sustainably feed people, educate, co-evolve with plants, and build back a better earth. Let's go check it out. This is FarmBox's vertical hydroponic farm. This farm can hold up to 2.5 acres of crop, which is, in comparison, 2 football fields. So right now we're in the fruiting chamber in our gourmet mushroom farm. We primarily grow blue oyster mushrooms, maitake, king trumpet, lion's mane, reishi, and much more. This is where the mushrooms finish the end of their life cycle. Blue oysters typically take about 2 weeks to finish growing once they hit this room.